That's right, folks. Digatron. JCB, thank you so much for inviting Anita out to the Monster Jam finals this Saturday. We had a blast. Caleb, Christy, love you guys so much. And I just hit my mic, sorry about that. But love you guys so much. Thank you for inviting us out. This close, guys. Digatron come in second place. Congratulations to them and their team for a phenomenal show. Then we went into freestyle after all the finals and after all the racing. So freestyle, since it was the finals, no hold barred. These guys were tearing the crap out of their trucks. Awesome event. Thank you so much. Thank you for even thinking about AM pressure washing and inviting us out to your suite. But phenomenal. Caleb, Christy, JCB, we love you guys. Thank you so much. Digatron, we love you. Everybody have a great day. Peace.
Man of the hour, Caleb.
Here we go. JCB, baby. SoCal JCB.
SoCal JCB.